Godrej nature project is well organized, and I was quite satisfied with the well guided tour, and it seems to meet my expectations. And Monica, of course, is excellent as
Your
relationship manager, smiling and a lot of patience and always satisfying my queries. Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
The experience has been very good, fantabulous. I mean, the kind of updates that we get from Godrej, it's like superb. The kind of follow-ups, and you guys invite us often to visit the site. It's very rare, and there's a lot of hospitality that comes into picture, and it's.
What I've been most satisfied with is the customer service. It's very timely, it's very efficient, all your queries are resolved, and even Ashok, who is our relationship manager, he's been very, very proactive from his end, be it not only just payment related, but also anything related to our concerns or our requirements or any issues that we might be facing. He's very, very quick, and I think not just Ashok, but I think the entire team of Godrej that we have met, they've been very responsible, not only towards their project, which I'm pretty sure, and it's pretty obvious also that they are, but also towards their customers. So thank you for everything. I think these timely visits build a lot of trust for a customer that is very rare to find in the real estate business. Very, very rare. So thank you.
Like the way you've set this up. It's a good way to actually involve all the families together, all the neighborhood together, so that they're able to see what's happening right now, what's the update. It's a different way of telling people what's the update, and small things which you have carried out here, small cultural folk dance and activities and everything. It's a good way to actually let people be comfortable and trustworthy that yes, your things have been taken care of, the development is happening, what's the update. And the tour guide was he was absolutely clear about things. He said that something which he didn't know, he said I can't comment on it, I can't give you a false commitment, I can tell you whenever it is or any doubts are there, I can clarify it. So it's a good way. We've been here 2-3 times now, but every time it's good. Thank you. So on the rating side, I would give it 9. I'm not sure. Yeah, on the greenery side, 9. Thank you.
This is my first house. I thought that I must invest here because the nature is the most important part of our life, and this is how I decided to go for Godrej Nature Plus.
I think it's more customer friendly because in real estate you don't find such it's not at all once you have purchased, once you have the buyer, they are not bothered. But I think Godrej ensures that customer are still, whatever their queries are, it's on time. So I think it's more ethical and more customer friendly company.
The overall experience is good as of now, and the main thing is we are getting regular updates through email.
One thing I like to add here, the construction is going timely. That's the best part.
Yes.
And as the brand name Godrej is there, I think it's very much standing up to its reputation in the market.
आज हम गोदरेज नेचर प्लस में अभी आए साइट विजिट के लिए, जो हमें इनवाइट किया गया था। तो मैंने यहाँ पे नवंबर 2018 में अपना यूनिट बुक किया था। तो आज फर्स्ट टाइम मैं अंदर इंटरनली अंदर जाके मैंने इसको चेक किया है, इसकी कंस्ट्रक्शन कितनी है, कितनी। मेरे को थोड़ा डाउट था जिस हिसाब से पेमेंट मांग रहे थे, लग रहा था पता नहीं इतनी पेमेंट के हिसाब से कंस्ट्रक्शन हुई है या नहीं हुई, लेकिन आज फिजिकली जाके मैंने वहाँ पे चेक किया तो वाकई लगा भैया हमारे जो ये पेमेंट डिमांड कर रहे हैं वो सही डिमांड कर रहे हैं और कंस्ट्रक्शन भी अच्छी स्पीड से चल रहा है।
Such a surprise to see the 10th floor of the all G, F, E towers, and all customers are visit with us. They are also happy and see the all construction. They are saying very